Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And I was getting lot of different comments from your side that people are facing different issues after updating to the latest iOS version. Now people were complaining that they are having a green screen issue, black screen issue. Even I was getting comments that some people are facing Apple logo stuck on the reboot after updating to the latest iOS software. I know these issues are really annoying, and I don't know when Apple is going to fix it, but I did bring a very cool fix. Now I came to know about a very cool software which can handle all these issues. You can use this software to repair your iPhone. Well, the name of the software is Tanner Share Reboot, and now I'm going to take you to my computer screen. I'm gonna introduce you how the software works and how you can get this one. So this is how the software website look like. This is the URL also given in the description. Go and download from this. What you need to do is the very first step is tap on this free download over here, and after that the download will start just like this. Save it, and within a seconds it will install that download. I have already installed, so no need to worry about that. After this, now it is time to install the software. Again, very easy to install the software. This is how the screen will look like. Simply tap on install button and it will start installing. Yes, this is that simple. Actually, it is really simple to install the software, and it is very easy to use this software, and through this software you can do a lot. Now once it is installed, start. It will take a couple of seconds to boot the software. Okay, so this is how the software look like. A very simple UI, as you can see. Now there are a couple of features available, and I'm going to introduce you to a very first feature, which is iOS upgrade and downgrade. So if you want to upgrade or downgrade your iOS version of iPhone, you can utilize these two options. Now what you need to do is, now coming back to the phone, you need to connect your phone to the computer, just like this one, just like as I did, as you can see. So once you have connected your phone, for example, if I want to downgrade, I will select the downgrade option over here. I will click on this downgrade button, and after this it will tell me that on which software I can go, and from here I can download the software, and it will start downloading software, and after that it will downgrade to. Very easy way to downgrade to any iOS version, as you can see, signed iOS version. So if you're facing any other problem, this is a really cool feature which can repair 150 plus issues related to your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or even Apple TV. Is it great? Definitely it is great. Now what you need to do is connect your iPhone, go to start repair, and here are the things that you can fix. If you're facing any problem with iOS update problem, here is the detail. If you're getting any error from this list, you can actually fix this by this. Or if you're having device bug or screen stuck, just like people were complaining me, or iOS mode stuck, even Apple driver error or iPhone error, you can just fix everything from here. Also, this feature, this software is amazingly great, that comes up with even more features. For example, you want to explore new beta versions, you can simply utilize this version and update to the iOS beta, whatever the beta is running. You can also do a backup and restore of your iPhone. You can unlock your iPhone screen, which is definitely really great. So these features are also really great. So all in all, this software is really great. So if you're facing any problem like this one that I mentioned, you can utilize the software named as Tanner Share Reboot. Again, the link is given in the description, so make sure to check out the software if you are facing any issue with your iPhone. Well, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.